I was expecting to just be writing documents or like signing off on machines that are used throughout the hospital, but it surprised me when we actually got to work hands-on with the machines and be able to fix them, and I've learned quite a lot from that.
How much nurses have to actually do and how flexible they have to be, because you have to be running clinics and also doing triage and tending to patients, like doing dressings or changing things, so they're very flexible with their job.
I didn't expect it to be so hands-on. The amount of work I did with customers or the amount of work I did in the back, I didn't realize I'd be able to help out so much.
I went to the IT department and gaining hands-on experience with, the team out there with Jatanya, Ronel, and the guys. It really opened my eyes because how much hands-on experience they have given me.
The ways that you can change one exercise to hit different muscles, to do different types of things, I believe that's the thing that surprised me the most.
My most memorable experience starting my internship was when I went to Northside Prison with one of my supervisors and a fellow intern.
When I finally got to actually work on a machine myself, and I was able to find the problem and fix it.
Sitting in with the trained professionals and gaining insight into their work, along with building onto my psychological knowledge from university.
The most memorable moment would be helping the nurses at the ward assist in a fire drill.
I think the practical side of things, the team, always brought me out.
Helping the customers get their medication faster, being able to pull the bags from the shelves, and helping the workers up in the front.
Be donating blood for the first time.
Interacting with the patients, I never expected to be so interactive with them, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to do so.
I would say to always be able to help, or to always, put yourself out there, make yourself useful. Don't be afraid to ask what else there is to do or where the most help is needed, because doing that, you're putting yourself out there to be a good helping hand.
Carry a notebook and a pen. Even if you are not specifically talking to a doctor about something, when you are observing like patient interactions, you will learn a lot of information just about the conversation and about the specialty, so you get to know more info.
Be very adaptable to your environment, and it's a good skill to learn as well, because then when it comes to career-wise, you already have grown to become an adaptable person, so it's good to have that as a skill.
I would say just be open to learning. Don't think that you know it all, because you don't. Just take our advice, and you'll learn and come a far way with any department that you're in.
Act like a sponge and try and soak up as much information as possible, and don't act like you know it all. Try to just learn everything to the best of your abilities.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Yes, I would.
For sure. I would love to return to any HSA department. I really enjoyed my time here at the pharmacy. I think everybody, in terms of the coworkers and even the patients we were dealing with, were so nice and kind.
100%, yes.
Yes.
Definitely.